Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I stretch my sister locks. And the way I do this are through cornrows or goddess braids. And so basically I just divide my hair into two sections, spray with water, and just begin to braid. I always leave out the locks around my neck because that's the softest part of my hair, and it's also the most fragile, and if there's too much tension on there, it hurts. So I just always leave them out, and at the end you'll see there was a lot of locks I think that I left out, but it's okay. Like, I'm not trying to stretch every lock, I just want the majority to be stretched, so you know, it's okay. And so as you can see here, I had to restart the braid because it was way too tight and I forgot to spray the water. So if you do try this, please don't braid tightly because it will not be a fun experience. And as you can see here, the back is super thick, so there's like no way I can get it into like two goddess braids. So I just like part as if I'm doing two, and then I just leave the middle out and I split those into two. But even that was a tough challenge, which I'll talk about in another video. But yeah. And y'all give me a thumbs up for this song, because you know you're not a real black beauty blogger until you use this song at least once. I feel like in the history of all the time that I've been watching YouTube, like all my favorite bloggers have used this song at least once. But it's a pretty cool song. When I'm finished, I put all the braids into a bun, and this is actually a style that, if done with low tension, can be worn for several days. Usually when I do this method, I wear it for at least a week, and it's a nice way for me to just kind of like get my hair out of my face and not like in my way. But in another video, I explained why I couldn't do that this time. This time I only kept it for one day. But even if you keep it for a short amount of time, it should still, give you your desired results. Don't know if you got a girl, don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. So here's the takedown. I didn't want deep waves, so if this is something that you want, you will of course have to do your braids smaller, but I just wanted to be stretched. I didn't want it to be crinkly. So I was pretty pleased with the results. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just spray water on my scalp to kind of stimulate it and relieve it, and you know, go on about my day. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please make sure you comment and subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. If you're in the Midwest or on the East Coast, please make sure you're staying warm. I will see you guys next time. Bye.